I earn a small fee when you use the services I recommend. No extra cost to you, but it helps keep the content flowing. I choose them because they are the industry topper and you will get the best services from them. Let's talk about your financial future. It's a topic that concerns everyone, and it's more important now than ever before. It's time to take control, and cryptocurrency can help. This digital revolution is opening doors that were previously closed. It's a new way to invest and grow your money. Don't be afraid. This is your opportunity to be part of something transformative. For too long, traditional systems have held us back. High fees, slow transactions, and limited access have been the norm. We've relied on banks and institutions. We've accepted limited returns and the lack of transparency. But now, there's an alternative. Cryptocurrency offers a decentralized and transparent way to manage your finances. Cryptocurrency puts the power back in your hands. You have control over your assets without intermediaries. This isn't just about getting rich quick. It's about making informed decisions and planning for the long term. It's about building a secure future, one where your financial decisions are in your control. It's about taking control of your finances, understanding where your money is and how it's working for you. It's about creating a legacy of wealth for yourself and your loved ones, ensuring that future generations benefit from your foresight. And don't forget to check the link in the description box below after watching the video. Are you ready to break free from the old ways, to challenge the status quo and embrace innovation? Are you ready to embrace the future of finance, a future that is digital, decentralized, and empowering? Then let's dive into the world of cryptocurrency together. Let's explore the possibilities and seize the opportunities that lie ahead. Cryptocurrency might seem complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Think of it as digital money. It's decentralized, meaning no banks are involved. Bitcoin is the most famous one, but there are many others. Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, these are just a few examples. Each one has its own value and potential. These digital currencies use something called blockchain technology. Imagine a secure, transparent ledger that tracks every transaction. That's blockchain in a nutshell. This technology makes cryptocurrency safe and secure. It's also what gives it the potential to revolutionize how we think about money. Why should you care about cryptocurrency? Because it has the potential to grow your wealth like never before. Traditional investments are limited. Savings accounts offer paltry interest rates. The stock market can be volatile and unpredictable. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, offers the potential for significant returns. Early investors have seen their investments multiply in value. While there are risks, the rewards can be substantial. But it's not just about making a quick profit. Cryptocurrency is about being part of a financial revolution. It's about supporting a more decentralized and democratic financial system. By investing in cryptocurrency, you're not just investing in an asset, you're investing in the future of finance. Ready to start your crypto journey? The first step is simple. Choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. This is where you'll buy and sell your digital currencies. Do your research and compare different exchanges. Look for platforms with low fees, strong security measures, and a user-friendly interface. Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken are a few popular options. Once you've chosen an exchange, create an account and verify your identity. This is a crucial step to ensure the security of your account. Next, link your bank account or credit card to fund your account. Now you're ready to buy your first cryptocurrency. Start small and gradually increase your investment as you gain more experience and confidence. Choosing the right platform. Security is key. Not all crypto exchanges are created equal. Security should be your top priority when choosing a platform. Look for exchanges that offer two-factor authentication or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a unique code from your phone in addition to your password. Another important security feature is cold storage. This means your crypto assets are stored offline, making them much less vulnerable to hacking. Consider using a hardware wallet for maximum security. Don't be afraid to ask questions and read reviews before making your decision. Choosing a reputable and secure exchange is crucial for protecting your investments. Understanding wallets, safeguarding your digital assets. You've bought your first cryptocurrency. Congratulations! This is an exciting step into the world of digital finance. Now, you need a safe place to store it. Just like you wouldn't leave cash lying around, your digital assets need protection. This is where wallets come in. Crypto wallets are essential tools for managing and securing your digital currency. Think of a crypto wallet as your digital piggy bank. It keeps your cryptocurrency safe and accessible. It stores your private keys, which are essential for accessing and managing your crypto assets. Without these keys, you can't access your funds. There are two main types of wallets: software wallets and hardware wallets. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages. Software wallets are convenient and easy to use, often available as apps on your smartphone or computer. However, they are less secure than hardware wallets because they are connected to the internet. Hardware wallets, on the other hand, offer maximum security by storing your private keys offline. This means they are not susceptible to online hacking attempts. They are a bit more expensive, but they are worth the investment if you're serious about protecting your crypto assets. Investing in a hardware wallet can provide peace of mind, knowing your digital wealth is secure. Whether you choose a software wallet for its convenience or a hardware wallet for its security, understanding how to safeguard your digital assets is crucial in the world of cryptocurrency. Protecting your investments, the power of an LLC. Now let's talk about protecting your hard-earned money and why an LLC is a powerful tool for any investor. As you dive deeper into the world of cryptocurrency, it's time to think like an entrepreneur. This means not just focusing on the potential gains, but also on safeguarding your investments. That means setting up a limited liability company, or LLC. An LLC is more than just a business structure. It's a strategic move to secure your financial future. An LLC provides a legal shield between your personal assets and your business ventures. This separation is essential because it ensures that your personal wealth is not directly tied to the risks of your business activities. This is crucial for protecting your personal finances, especially as your investments grow. As your portfolio expands, so does the potential for legal challenges and financial risks. Imagine this. You're hit with a lawsuit unrelated to your crypto investments. It could be from a business deal gone wrong or any other unforeseen circumstance. Without an LLC, your personal assets are at risk. This means your home, car, and savings could be vulnerable to claims. But with an LLC, your liability is limited, protecting your home, savings, and other valuables. This legal structure acts as a protective barrier, ensuring that your personal life remains unaffected by business-related issues. Setting up an LLC might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. There are numerous resources and step-by-step guides available online to help you through the process. There are services that can help you navigate the process with ease. These professionals can handle the paperwork, legal requirements, and ensure that your LLC is set up correctly, giving you peace of mind. Bizee, your partner in business formation. You can check out the link in the description box below. Feeling overwhelmed by the thought of forming an LLC? Don't be. Bizee is here to simplify the process and make it a breeze. Bizee is a user-friendly online platform that streamlines business formation. From filing your paperwork to obtaining your EIN, Bizee guides you through every step of the way. Their intuitive interface and expert support make it easy for anyone to start an LLC, regardless of their experience level. Plus, their affordable pricing options make it accessible to everyone. Don't let the complexities of business formation hold you back. With Bizee, you can focus on what matters most: growing your crypto investments and building your financial future. Obtaining your EIN, a vital step for your business. Once your LLC is established, the next step is to obtain your Employer Identification Number, or EIN. Think of it as your business's social security number. You'll need an EIN to open a business bank account, file your taxes, and operate your business legally. Fortunately, obtaining an EIN is a simple and straightforward process. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website for free. Bizee can also assist you in obtaining your EIN quickly and efficiently. Don't delay this crucial step. Obtaining your EIN is essential for legitimizing your business and protecting your assets. Crypto and your business, a winning combination. Now that you have your LLC and EIN, the possibilities are endless. You can use your business entity to manage your crypto investments more effectively. For example, you can open a business bank account specifically for your crypto transactions. This can help you track your profits and losses more easily, especially during tax season. Having an LLC also adds an extra layer of legitimacy to your crypto endeavors. It shows potential investors and partners that you're serious about your business and committed to operating legally and responsibly. By combining the power of cryptocurrency with the protection of an LLC, you're setting yourself up for financial success. Start your journey today. Financial freedom awaits. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards financial freedom by exploring the world of cryptocurrency. Now it's time to take action and start building your future. Remember, the key to success is to start small, learn as you go, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency is an exciting and potentially lucrative investment opportunity, but it's essential to approach it with caution and a long-term perspective. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Embrace the future of finance and start building the life you've always dreamed of. Your financial freedom awaits.